HVAC people!
Alright folks, so I got a Lennox control board here I'm gonna have to replace. Came out yesterday and diagnosed it. It was 4th of July holiday, so Lennox wasn't open, so I couldn't get it repaired for him, but I do have the board, and let's go see if we can get some footage of it. Alright folks, so it's pretty much a reenactment from yesterday. The guy said he changed the batteries in the thermostat because it was blank, but when he did change the batteries in the thermostat came on, but the unit wasn't turned on. So I came up here and looked in the sight glass. I don't see any lights. Take this off. See, I pushed the power button, still don't have any lights. So I checked for power. As you see, we do have power. If I let this button go, shouldn't have power. To one of them. Alright, see if I hit this button. Hold on. So we're gonna check for power. You can see we do have power. If I let this go, we do not have power. Press the button, we have power. Alright. So, let's see if I can get some light. This blue and yellow is my secondary, or my 24 volts coming from the transformer. Take this off. This will let we can check for 24 volts right here, and that'll let us know we do have 24 volts going to our board. These two is the transformer. Right, so as you can see right now we have 0. I press this button right here. 29 volts. Wait, you see that? Alright, so that's 29 volts, so we know we got voltage going to the control board. Alright. We also can check right here. I got red to common. Go from red to common on the control board. Push this in. Let's get some light. So we got nothing. Okay, really got 1 volt. So what happening is it's not going through here to your control board lining. Also, this is the fuse. I don't know how well you can see that, but the fuse is good. The fuse is not broken. Another way you can check your fuse, go to continuity. You see we get a beep. So, let's say the fuse is good. So we're gonna replace the control board. All right. Key of the furnace power right here. Double check. No power. So this board here, we have to do a conversion. I think I gotta change the igniter on here. Yeah. Been a minute since I did one. Yeah, here go the new igniter. Gotta put a new one of these on here. Alright, so the main thing to remember with this right here is pin 2. Try not to get it mixed up with, I don't know how well you can see this right here, but this says pin 2 between the two blues, or both of them will be between the two blues. But if you see 4 right here on this side, don't think this 1, 2. You gotta make sure you're on number 2 right here. You'll have to the little white thing that come with it. You gotta stick that in there. Alright, that'll be pin 2, and then you'll be able to connect it. Alright, but we'll get to that in a second. Everything else should be pretty much plug and play. So go ahead and take this harness off. Get that out of my way. We'll take this one off. I think this one right here, I will have to cut, and we'll tap that into this. All right. That right here, I'm gonna plug in. It's gonna go over there to that flame sensor. always go by your schematic too, as far as these blowers. But it'd be faster, just like plug and play, man. I think somewhere in the instructions also they tell you exactly where you can mount these things. Here. Here's my board here. I think I want to go. So I'm going to go follow this circle right here. Look like it right here. So all the white's gonna be neutral. These my neutrals over here, so I'm gonna go take all the whites out first. One. And that's white. I don't think it really matters, but I'll just put them here. White coming from the transformer. Neutral coming from the blower motor. Like I say, this one gonna go on that pin too right here, if I'm not mistaken. Pin 2. Let's go ahead and do the blower motor. So I got the black is gonna be cool. Alright. The red is gonna be heat. Yellow is park. Brown is park. Then XMR is going to be the other side of that switch. All right. I think this will fell off of line 1. Let's say L1, so that'd be line 1 coming out of my switch. Alright. And as you notice, it is the summertime, right? So a lot of people in the summertime, when they do their control board, just go ahead and hook it up and don't hook the heater up. And you'll have a power back in the winter time, because that igniter is going to blow. That's a little bit too tight for my taste right there. That a little looser. All right. think this harness is gonna need a adapter. Let me see. Yeah. Yeah, 'cause really, I can use this harness right here, which I am. I don't need this right here. Hope it's not too late, because I already stuck this in here. Yeah, what should have happened, I should have just stuck this in number 2. Need to find a way how to get this out of here. Something 9. Yeah, 9 just looks like that. Alright, so that's my mistake. Take the thermostat wires out first. I'm gonna go get a razor and split this so I can get my number 2 back out of there. Alright, so take a look at the thermostat wire. So we're gonna go green for the fan. This red. We're gonna go with Y1. My red for my condenser and my yellow for my thermostat. We'll put that in Y1. I don't like how they did. Alright. So the blue is coming. So we're gonna stick that other white and common also, coming from the condenser. Last one will be heat. Alright, so the only thing we lacking now, we just need to put our white one in this number 2 terminal right here. Right back. Alright folks, so I did end up ripping that other little ribbit thing right out of the white one. So I'm just gonna use this blue one right here. Same thing. It's still being number 2. So if anybody was reading the schematic behind me, that number 2 would be for that igniter. So. Alright, so I'll just stick that one in here instead. Has the same size gauge wire. Alright. So like I say, I just cut this and wire nut that. Alright, so that's good there. That's for the flame sensor. I say the flame sensor goes up here. That's for that. It's a flame sensor. Remember the other one, flame sensor was right here. So you can't get confused and maybe put this right here because it will fit, but it does not go there. Now you gotta figure out how to get this out. I might have to take this gas valve out sometime. Alright folks, I had to go with the handheld today. Hot as it is in the attic, man, I don't see how some people be working without a drill. I like to zip, 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 get up out of there. This here more like a ratchet. It's a little faster. One more. One more. Oh, man, they got 2 on the inside also. Yeah, like I said, if you don't change this igniter out in the summertime, you're just gonna get a call back in the wintertime. Yes, if you know, honest company, they'll use it to their advantage. All right. We'll turn the gas valve off. gave us some more brackets. We have to change the bracket on here. Alright folks, look, I'm losing my light. So it need to be sitting like that. See if we can get some more light here. Should be good. Yep, that bracket there should work, folks. Alright. Yeah, we just stick that right up in there. As you can see, that'll be right there in front of it. So I'm about to use base screw. What the one that was in here. All right. start this slow. And you want to get something to kind of clamp it so you won't mess your hands up or twist it. Alright. Hey man, how that happen? Oh, that's okay. Alright, go off. Let's see here. Y'all, the best idea to put this back on first. Alright, folks, we got there. Like I say, when you see something like this happen in the field, I mean, don't panic. Just gotta fix it. Just gotta fix it. So at least the whole thing didn't get tore out. They got some gray wire nuts out the truck. Alright. Like I say, so this is the little wire nut that came with it. Just attach it right on here like that. Alright. Check this one out. Like I say, in the winter time, if you don't change this in the summertime with that control board, I think this is just over amping it. It will burn out on you. Happened to me before. I didn't read the instruction well. I just knew that igniter would work, but it will not. Get ready to test operation. We should see a light right there. Just heard the condenser kick on. Kick right on. So I'm gonna put the door back on. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna check the heat also. I don't know if you can hear it, but I did hear my compressor kick on. And so I know when the air is working. Like I say, it's almost 95 degrees out there today, so I'm gonna kick the heat on just to make sure it works. Igniter. watching. You guys are. I don't want to run that too long because it's already hot downstairs, but just wanted to verify that works. Alright folks, as always, thanks for watching. That's how you change a part number 19V as in Victor 36. 19V as in Victor 36. It's a Lennox furnace igniter. A control board. Operates the heat and the air conditioner. So I hope that helps. To all you DIYers out there. Do it yourself. Mess up, don't call me. I love all my customers, and I do get a lot of customers on YouTube, but it's always engineers or DIYers, and I know a lot of them subscribe to my channel too, man. I love y'all, but some of y'all gonna be a pain. Give it a minute and wait for the cooling to turn back on. Alright everybody, so thanks for watching. That is how you replace a 19V as in Victor 36, 19V as in Victor 36 Lennox control module or igniter. 19 Victor 36 Lennox control board. Like I say, the Surelight that come out these units, they're not plug and play anymore. You just can't swap the wires. And you can swap the wires and do like for like, and it will work, but it will not work in the winter time. You have to change the igniter on it. So if you don't want no call back in the winter time, change it out. You know, it's a lot more work sweating in the attics, you know, doing that a little bit in the summertime, but we'll save you a call back. As always, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. diagnostic code. Cut out Espanol. They put it right there then. Cut out Espanol. Sí. Gracias. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Latino friends out there, and cover it up on y'all.